Just got done eating lunch. Was talking to a pal on the DMs, and this is a great live. Let me tell you, and I'm putting it on IGTV. I couldn't put the other ones the other day on IGTV. I don't know why. And I always look like this because I work from home. I'm an entrepreneur and I'm a mom. Okay. When I wake up early, it's to get a workout in. It ain't to put makeup on. Maybe I can do both one day. So here's what this live is about. She goes, or she. This is honestly a question that so many women have. And I even see products for sale on how to fix it. And it's such horseshit. It's such a waste of money, time, and effort. So loose skin on your stomach, and moms, there's some mothers that are blessed that truly gain 15 pounds, run marathons, pop the baby out during a squat, and has abs the next week. For the other ones, like myself, I put on 35 pounds, which isn't bad. It's normal. I get horrible stretch marks. I had a busted hernia, umbilical hernia, belly button popped out when it was over, diastasis recti. My abs were separated like crazy. And as a few of you know, I'm going to undergo 2 ab surgeries, tummy tucks. The first one, we did a half tummy tuck, which was a huge mistake. Even my surgeon, she corrected it, and she said, I just thought that you being small, this would have been an exception, even though most, the surgeons know better, and so she fixed it. She did a full tummy tuck. So do not do a mini. Always do a full. So anyway, loose skin on your stomach, there's 2 types. There's one lady that I've worked with. She's got a 6-pack. She's 45. And when she bends over, she's got the cat gut. And we laugh because, the cat's stomach, what's up? The cat's stomach is, it just looks like those pregnant mom cats that hang and dangle when they walk, right? So when she stands up straight, you can't really see it. It's just when she bends over and, squishes her body and contorts her body, you can see her loose skin. I wouldn't recommend getting a tummy tuck for that. There's some lasers you can do instead. Followed that Dr. Simon guy that works on Kim Kardashian's pretty legit. So the other ones though, the ones that have the loose skin that when you're standing up, it's visible. It's ugly. In my opinion, it was ugly on me. It's one of those things where, I could work out and still look 5 months pregnant with my diastasis recti, my hernia. It was just ugly. And I used to have a pretty stomach, Can you see that? I mean, I used to have a, really pretty stomach. Got some new boobs too, though. So that was my stomach before. And then here I am with this. And I have pictures. I'm going to post this too one day. Got it. And the reason I'm waiting, because I want you to see the full effect of after the scars have healed and look good. So it was ugly. It looked like I laid over a candle or something. It was just disgusting. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I'm vain. Behind these big old tits and this fake hair, I'd like to think I have a brain and a big heart and I care about people, love myself. But on the outside, honey, we're going to nip, tuck, suck, draw it on. You feel me? Okay? Even though I have blemishes right now, I'm not full face makeup. So just give me a minute. When it comes to the surgery, if you got that, just do a mommy makeover. Seriously. Because at the end of the day, if you've got that going on and you go work out, me personally, I'm like, what's the point? I'll go work out, but I'm still like hung up and unmotivated and just kind of like, fuck it, if my stomach's going to look like this. Because there's nothing you can do about it. You cannot fix loose skin. You either need laser or surgery to cut it off. You can't. It's like a broken nose. It's like small titties. You can't go do a workout and get bigger titties. You got to get fat to get bigger titties. And good luck if it going to your boobs. Now they have BBL. You can just suck the fat out and put it in your boobs. Loose skin is the same way. And diastasis recti, you cannot heal. Do I know girls that have had diastasis recti and not gotten surgery and been okay? Absolutely. It doesn't close all the way, but it's also not a medical condition where they can't do their daily activities and it's visibly ugly. I know some moms that have had diastasis recti for 17 years and wondered why their stomach was never flat. It's because they needed their guts sewn back together. I'll actually have a great picture and I'll post on my IG today of what I'm talking about. So when it comes to the loose skin, you need surgery or laser. And get a mommy makeover because our tits are usually saggy as well. I was watching Cardi B yesterday and I was like, thank God that somebody to that level said this, because a lot of women these days are, love your scars and, be 400 pounds. It's okay to be beautiful. That's good and fine. But I'm going to tell you right now, I know what makes me look and feel good. Okay. And I want my boobs to look a certain way. If I pay for fake tits, I want to look like I have fake boobs. I want them to look fake. When I lost body fat and had my real boobs, it looked like slut puppy titties. Do you know what I'm talking about? When you bend over and they're like pointy and just dangly? That's what I had. And I'm a sexual being. I'm very visual. I don't want to look in the mirror at that. I don't want him to look at that, you know? So I wanted fake ones. So after I had kids and the babies nursed and everything, I had that loose tissue skin, and I had 425 cc's, and it was just like, oh man, they don't even look fake anymore. And one goes this way, what the hell? So I got some new ones. Holla at Dr. McKnight, Aisha Barron, at Breast Body Beauty in Atlanta. Silicone, high profile 700, right? No lifts yet, but I'll probably need that in a few years. I mean, I might not even have titties. You know, I say go big or even get trendy titties, where this just flat chest, I don't even have to worry about it. I need low maintenance. So you're either going to be big or really flat. The point of this live is if you have loose skin and it's that bad, it's that second person that when you're standing up, it's visible and you're bummed out about it, don't go buy how to heal it. Don't go think that doing crunches is going to work and all that. Don't think that wraps are going to work. Look, you need something invasive, sister. You're going to have to go get it cut or get laser. You're going to have to invest a little bit. If you don't like the way your boobs look, get them fixed. Mommy makeovers, they're discounted rate. And some women even need lipo. And there's some other stuff that goes into mommy makeovers, and I can't remember. It does not make you a quitter. It does not make you a cheater. You're not doing this to get skinny. You're doing this to get rid of the loose skin that you had during pregnancy so you can get back to you and feel good again. If you love your scars and you love your stretch marks and you love your loose skin, girl, rock it. Rock it. I don't care. I'm just telling you, this is me. I know there's some girls out there that's my tribe that we like looking and feeling sexy. So go do a consultation. See if they have a special to where you can get your boobs done and your tummy tuck. And they may even do lipo for that. I don't know, but I do know that they offer discounts for that. I will post the doctor that I went to and try to post that diastasis picture in a second. I hope this helps. And I also, any of you that feel the need to shame me for shaming others. Oh, look, there's a Corona bottle. I drink beer. Shaming, just leave it alone because it's a reflection of you. It's not me. I am free. I'm doing this for me. Not you, not you, not you, not you. So if you feel convicted, then deal with that with Jesus in your alone time. Okay? You have a good day now.